Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make a double patty cheeseburger with bacon. Okay, so first off we need to make the sausage patties. So I've got a pound of pork here and sausage seasoning. See the information box below. This pound I'm dividing into 8 pieces, so each patty is not big. I'm using my hamburger shaper just to get them into thin patties, and that's the way I want them to be this time. Anyway, making 8 of these and then moving on to the beef. This is the ground beef from the other day. It's about 1.5 pounds, 700 grams, and I'm going to shape them into 8 patties as well, doing the same. No seasoning on this until they're actually shaped. Okay, dividing them up and, well, shaping them along. Anyway, so I'm just gonna season these with salt and pepper, nothing else. I think that's gonna be perfect for this. There we go. As you can see, they're slightly thicker than the, well, it's hard to see there, I guess. They're slightly thicker than the ones with only pork in them. Anyway, so patties made, time to cut up the bacon. I've got a piece of bacon here so I can make thick slices. I'm making them like 1/8 of an inch thick, much thicker than the store-bought bacon here. And it's also got the skin on, which is really good. This is what it looks like. Anyway, starting off by frying the bacon, and once the fat's rendered out some and they've reached the acceptable floppy state, that's when I add them to the oven. Anyway, there we go, gone from the pan. Starting by frying the pork patties, I want them to be done. They're almost done on one side when I add the beef. This is what they look like. Then a few minutes later, it's time to flip the beef once. Anyway, just flip them in check all the time. I've got this cheese that Martin bought me. It's just a standard cheese with chili flakes in it. Really good. Okay, shaping a burger. I'm using one of the Keto buns, which is excellent. Link below and above. A little bit of bearnaise sauce, a patty of each with cheese on top. There we go, 50-50 burger with at least home cut bacon. That was really good, and chili cheese was good on there as well. I'm gonna have another bite and then I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching, bye.